Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about how you can actually install the Antutu Benchmark version in any Android smartphone. So recently friends, I am doing a lot of Antutu Benchmark comparison with plenty of different smartphones in my channel, and a lot of users did ask me how you can actually install and how to install. Can you make a video on that topic particularly? So finally here is the video friends for you all. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know how you can actually install this Antutu Benchmark test version in any Android device. So long ago friends, the Antutu Benchmark application got deleted from the Play Store due to security issues. So right now the Antutu Benchmark test version is only available from the website. So let me try to show you what website it is, and in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. For live wallpaper similarly like this, you can find all the links will be available in the description below. So regarding all the smartphones and everything, so you need to download two applications basically. So one is the Antutu Benchmark application, and next is a 3D benchmark application which will run all the benchmarks in the background. So that will give you the correct score about the device. So let me try to show you friends what website you need to go to in. So let me try to type the website Antutu Benchmark. Just type in the Google. Just go to Google Chrome and just open the Google Chrome web application and type the Antutu Benchmark APK. So just type Antutu Benchmark APK friends. So just type enter, click enter. So as soon as you click enter, the first link, the first website which is available here, so which is antutu.com, as you can clearly see. So try to click that link. So don't try to click any of the third-party websites or any other links. So try to follow exactly the official website which is given, so to avoid any other harmful APK files. So try to use this particular Antutu Benchmark website which is available here. So once you open this website, so don't get any confused friends. So straight away try to zoom in inside. So try to zoom in and go to this download option. So click on the download. So once you are in that page, you will be welcome with this kind of page. So where you need to download, as I said, two files. So first file is this download file. So try to click on this green button. So try to click on the green button. So once you click on the green button, you'll get this kind of message asking you to download the file. So if you don't get this kind of message, and if you are getting any different kind of messages like this file is harmful and all those things, so make sure to accept those conditions and try to give the permissions. So then you can download this APK. So once you click that file, so this is a part 1 file which has been already downloaded by me. So that's another thing, and try to click on this download 3D. So there is a small line which is written over there. So try to click on this download 3D. As you can see friends, the size of this download 3 application will be around 600 MB, and the size of this particular APK file, Antutu APK file, will be about 50 MB. So these are overall estimated sizes. So overall friends, you do require the size of 700 to 800 MB of size, so before installing any Antutu Benchmark application in your smartphone. So make sure to check that you do have sufficient amount of storage before installing this kind of applications. So as usual friends, don't forget to check the links in description for the best smartphone cases, or if you're interested in any kind of live wallpapers as well, all the links will be available in the description below. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.